Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you how to create a PowerPoint template. So first off, we're gonna go to PowerPoint and then we're going to have a blank presentation so that we can freely create a template of our own. Then we would go to View. So it's on the second to the last options above, and then we have to click Slide Master. Once we're in Slide Master, we are going to basically create the template that we want. We're going to use themes if you want to, but of course we're going to create that. If that's also what you prefer, then you choose the color. Let's say I'm going to use paper, and then fonts I'm going to use Century, and then I'm going to create effects like subtle, and then background styles I'm going to choose yellow, very vibrant, and then you can actually create tick hide background graphics if you prefer. And then once you're done and your template is ready, once you've edited it according to your liking, you can actually adjust that per slide. And then what you would want to do for you to save is go to File, Save, and then choose a domain where you want to save your template. I'm going to use desktop, for example. Then I'll say presentation template, template 1. And then just click save and you already have your PowerPoint presentation template. So here you go. If you want to learn more, just let me know and I'll be happy to create more videos for you. Bye for now.